Hello and welcome back. We're now going to create a job. So we filled out all this information previously. So we're going to go under the car section and there's a yellow button and so it says create job. This is the best way to create a job because it will save all this information and input it for you. So we're going to hit create job. It'll take us to a new page. We're going to put in some more information. Here you have the trucking company. The job ID is optional. If you're in the database, it should remember it by, you can type in some of the letters and then tab, and yeah, see it remembered Lone Star Transportation. Okay, so we got the pilot driver here. We're going to pick the position of the pilot. We have options. We'll keep it as it is. The truck driver is the one that carries the load. You need this information so they can communicate. So we're gonna just give them a name. Let's see. Let's call him Stan Lee. Let's make up a number, phone number, and truck number. Type it in. Trip number. We should have that info. Load description here. We'll keep it to Blade. Let's see. Add the start location. Say Colorado Springs, Colorado. In location, say Cheyenne, Wyoming. Okay, status. Let's make this a new trip, but you also have these other options: submitted, pending, approved, paid, transaction type. Let's say ACH. Okay, charges. How are we going to do our charges? So we have options here. Got mileage. We have all these others. You can look day rate, flat rate, overnight, steer, mini, etc. So we're going to add the charge. How many miles did I travel? Let's say I traveled 100 miles. Hit OK. This is in dollars. What's the price per mile? Let's say it's $2. Okay, so you'll see it starts to add up here. We can explain the charges right there. And if anything special happened on the date of our trip and it cost extra, or you want to just add some notes, you can add them here. And you'll save the job. Okay. So the record was inserted successfully. And so on the bottom here is your job. Scroll over to the right and you can save it, edit it, delete it, etc. So that is how you create a job. And we'll talk about creating an invoice later. Thanks.